Hi, this is Mike Herzing with Let's Talk Wheels. Today we're in beautiful Montgomery, Alabama at the Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Plant. This is probably the highest tech plant on the planet. This place is amazing, and I have cornered Robert Burns. He is head of PR for the plant. How are you doing today, Robert?
I'm doing wonderful and just excited to have the group here today, especially you, so we can talk about the plant a little bit.
Well, you know, they build 1,300 cars a day. This thing is amazing. With 2,500 team members here putting this field, the community loves this plant. But what's really interesting is just-in-time manufacturing and just-in-sequence manufacturing. Tell us just real quick how that works.
Well, I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible, Mike, but bottom line, we give our suppliers let's say an order of sequence of what we're going to build. Elantra, Sonata, whether those are limiteds, GLSs, and we say it's what color it's going to have, what navigation package, and all those things line up, and those suppliers know that at, let's say, 10 o'clock in the morning, that the Sonata is going to land at our cockpit installation or dashboard assembly. It has to be the dashboard for that Sonata that's maybe a limited with a Navi package, and they know that it has to be there just in time, just in sequence, because we do not have any room for inventory at all. The trucks play the role of a warehouse, if you want to say it that way.
So trucks roll in every minute from what I hear. So basically as they unload parts off the truck, whether it be the dashboard, whether it's a blue dashboard or a gray dashboard or a black dashboard, it goes to these specific vehicles all in line. So the dashboards, the drivetrains, everything are unloaded in sequence.
In sequence and matched to color. If we have a rear bumper fascia or a front bumper fascia, the same thing applies. It matches to the color of the car that's coming down the line. And we have no more than 20 minutes of inventory at any one time adjacent to the line.
So that's one of the reasons everything's down south, folks, because we don't have the severe weather that they have up north. But also that means you also don't have a lot of room to store anything.
No, not a lot of room, not a lot of room for error either. So we have to work real close with our suppliers. We have to be totally on top of everything at all the time, because if you have any hiccups, well, it'll shut down the line.
So when this plant was built in 2002, when they broke ground, they probably broke ground on a lot of supplier plants in this area too.
Yeah, it was all basically coming out of the ground, as you just said, all at the same time to be able to have SOP or start of production on May of 2005.
Folks, we're going to show some video as we go through the plant tour, and we're also going to show some photos. And I can tell you what, this is going to be amazing, so hang on. Thanks for joining us today.
Glad to be a part of it, Mike.
Thanks, folks. Hang on, and we're going to have more.